So crypto has been pretty brutal here in terms of price movement here in the last couple months. But in this video, we're going to talk about some major crypto news, and it has to do with the macro environment right now. It has to do with uh, altcoin season. We're still waiting for big altcoins to make a push. And if we can draw some parallels from previous markets, historical analysis, if you will, well, we could be in store, guys, for the biggest altcoin season ever. It could be brewing right now, similar to how my coffee was just brewing, and I've got some brewing right now. We could be getting ready. Usually there's a period of time where we call it kind of no man's land. It's like, what's going on here? Like, what's happening? What are we getting ourselves into? And it's usually those confusing times where things in the market tend to then be followed by big moves, either up or down. And we're going to get into some of those things that we're looking at here in the markets. Before we do, though, real quick, just a quick plug here to Margex. You see them up there in the top right-hand corner. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, guys, this is a great platform for you. If you are interested in leverage crypto trading, you guys can start following the best crypto traders who trade on Margex, literally copy trade and follow the best of the best. You can also sign up with a 20% sign-on bonus using my link down below. And Margex has no KYC, some of the best liquidity in the market, MP Shield system, copy tradings in one click, and 24/7 live chat support. Trade anytime, anywhere as well on the Margex app. Good for iOS and Android. And definitely check out that link down below because a ton of people are getting set to make major moves in the market. So if you're interested in leverage trading, no better platform to check out other than Margex. Now, if we take a look at the overall market, guys, Bitcoin is tumbling 60,900 right now. Yep, we called it yesterday that Bitcoin could be heading to $57,000. And so far, that's exactly how this is playing out. We are seeing a ton of cryptos tumble. In terms of what's down the worst right now, if we go out in the last 7 days, Dog with Hat getting, brutalized right now. Jasmy, Bong, Floki, a lot of the meme coins, SHIB down 17%, right? And this is a great opportunity to start DCAing. Now, again, what we're looking for here at Bitcoin is 57K. That could be our last stop before this falling knife, stops for good. We are range bound still with Bitcoin at 57K. Now, we've talked about, utilizing, a trading indicator as well. Now, I want to show you guys something with the BTC chart here. If we go into trading view here, this is going to be the SHIB chart as we pull this up. But we'll go over to Bitcoin because everything is following Bitcoin. You guys know that. And we can see here, this is the SHIB chart, momentum down, flash, basically told you when to get out of this trade. That's XT Algo, my trading indicator. But BTC, if we take a look at where we are right now, we wick down right here to about 57,000. This is the weekly chart. And again, when we zoom out here on the weekly chart, guys, it's not that big of a deal, okay? This is basically where we have been before, back in late April, where we wicked down all the way to about 56,000 and some change. I would not be shocked at all if we, went ahead and did that here. And we're going to get some type of reversal here. So this is now 3 weeks running. We have seen a downward trend in the market. You guys can see this. Look what happened after our all-time highs were hit, right? Bitcoin hit its all-time high. And then we had, 5 weeks of a downturn, a little bit of a pump, and now 3 weeks of a downturn. But we're still very much range bound here between, right now, 59,000 and about 72, 73,000. Now, when we take a look at altcoin season and why we believe that this could be the biggest altcoin season in market history, well, a lot of times we're using history to compare. And one of these big traders, Crypto Crusader, explained that the biggest altcoin season in crypto history is developing behind the scenes despite very low retail sentiment. And right now, that retail sentiment has not come back, but eventually, many people believe, including myself, that it will. right? A lot of that has to do with, the rates, inflation. We're just not in a great economic environment right now for retail investors. Now, Crusader compared the 2018 and 2022 dead cat bounces and noted the current price action on a particular index. In late November to early December, altcoins began to range before making a significant upward move. In 2020, altcoin season was very poor, with many in the retail sector believing the altcoin season was over. Okay, he wrote, "We have been ranging longer, which is expected with a much higher market valuation. This next move will take us past the previous all-time high on the altcoin market, and Bitcoin will be at 100K plus, most likely." Now, keep in mind, when we had the Bitcoin halving back in April, okay, if we go back to, Bitcoin's price back in April, okay, let's get into Bitcoin here the last year. So if we head back into April, right around our halving period, right in here, we were right around $62,000, $63,000. Okay. Now, Bitcoin's price has always doubled 6 months after the halving. 6 months after the halving. May, June, July, August, September, October. That tells us by October of this year, if history repeats itself, Bitcoin should be at $120,000. So a lot can happen from then and now, right? And this little downturn, I think, is the final little piece that we need to the puzzle in order to flush out, some of the market and get ready for our next big move. It says here the market has been ranging longer this time due to higher overall valuation. And then again, Bitcoin will likely reach over 100K. For those feeling bearish, the analyst suggests zooming out to understand the current cyclical position, indicating this is the exciting part is just about to start. Regarding Bitcoin, the analyst offered a straightforward perspective. He believes Bitcoin will maintain its uptrend, though it might dip to the $60,185 level. Well, interestingly enough, that is kind of where we are right now. We're a little above that right now. Okay. Very simple view here for Bitcoin. I personally see us maintaining this uptrend. However, we could still wick to the $60,000 level. The weekly candle close is key this week and is what I'm watching for more closely. Let's see what happens, but I personally think that's what's going to happen. Credible Crypto also opened up about the sentiment around meme coins, that I think certain meme coins will have huge recoveries and go on to make new all-time highs once this larger correction is complete and after BCT tops out. Not all memes will make it, right? And that is very, very crucial. That's why you have to have, your blue chip type meme coins and altcoins, and then things that you're just trading. This is something I always talk about. He says the issue here is because most of these memes don't have any fundamentals, and more or less, there's just not enough money to go around, right? It will start to consolidate a little bit naturally over time. When we take a look at some of our top meme coins, and see what's what, I think Dogecoin has been just brutalized here. I think eventually we're going to see capital rotate back into Doge. Same thing with SHIB, Pepe. WIF has been brutalized here, but I do think WIF, Bonk, the top two Solana meme coins, will make it this cycle. Floki, Brett, Bohm has been hit pretty good, but I still think has a great opportunity to run. Same thing with Runes. Some of these top ones, Turbo. Here's Pepe coin, which I still like, right? Myro and Ponky here, I still like as well. Obviously, Bone on Shiba Swap. So there are still going to be some meme coin winners. Here's Toshi that I still like as well. Doge on Mars could have a comeback. TokenFi, not a meme coin, but part of the Floki ecosystem. Snack, right? There's still going to be a lot of winners here within meme coins. They're not all going to win, okay? As the market cap of memes has kind of tumbled here, back down to 43 billion. But you got to find your high conviction plays here for sure. So that's kind of where we are right now in the overall market. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys again for stopping back here by the channel all the time. Check out the links to Margex. Check out the links to XT Algo, and we'll see you in the next video.